as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever, we'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Our hearts beat to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings, as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning.
We did Bitcoin dip continue. We saw Bitcoin dump after the Bitcoin ETF approval. And this was followed by other altcoins out there. Are we going to see Bitcoin dip right down to 38,000, 35,000, or Bitcoin is going to shoot right away to 45K? And what we need to do if that happens? You are welcome back again here today, this morning. It's an early morning here in Sweden, Gothenburg. And I said, let me bring you guys this morning source, this price action for Bitcoin, so that we can prepare ourselves for what await us This week, this week is going to be an important week for Bitcoin. We're going to see what Bitcoin will do after the approval last week. Many people are speculating that we're going to see Bitcoin go right up to 50K before Bitcoin can dump, or maybe we can see major retracement. But I predicted that the range for Bitcoin to dump is from 48,000 to 50,000. So if say you would have seen Bitcoin at 48,000, you would have started taking out some profit. Of course, I'm not saying that my tier is the best, but my tier is good. But let's dive right away here and see actually what is going on with Bitcoin. So far as Bitcoin is above $40,000 in this range, we are good to go with other altcoins. And I think Bitcoin right now has gotten to a zone where this is like, to me, this is a critical zone for Bitcoin. I want to show you guys more like more details of what I mean by Bitcoin is sitting at a critical zone. Although Bitcoin is above $40,000, but where Bitcoin is, where the price is right now, looking at the daily time frame, is critical. And this is because we have made attempts before to break this area, like this it was around 44,000. We made attempts to break that zone. It was difficult for Bitcoin to break, and after Bitcoin break that zone, price went straight away to $49,027. And after that, when the Bitcoin ETF was approved, price moved right back to about 41,000. And ever since, price has been ranging around that area. So what will happen next? So if we go to the 4 hours time frame, I can see here that Bitcoin actually has broken the 200-day moving average, and the alpha trend has printed a sell signal, and we saw this huge dump here. Now we are seeing a recovery from that dump, but the alpha trend is still pointing downward and is crossing the 200-day moving average. So this is not good sign for me. If I look at the trend before, you can see each time price come around this indicator. This is my indicator. It's just fancy, but it's just the same thing. You put in the 200-day moving average, 50-day, the 20-day moving average, and you're gonna get all this, but you wouldn't be able to get the blue and the green line there. So now, what is the theory here? What perspective do we have here? What I'm saying is, for Bitcoin to be able to prove to me that Bitcoin is gonna move upward, then price have to move like this, retest that 200-day moving average again, hold it, then keep on going to the upside. But if price is not able to do that, then I think we might see Bitcoin dip more. Now let's bring in other indicator here. You can see, but on the other hand, guys, also I'm seeing that the Trendillo indicator is showing oversold. And whenever I see oversold on the 4 hours time frame, it means that the price of Bitcoin have reset on that higher time frame, and we should expect price to move instead upwards. You can see from where how the indicator is pointing up. And now, for me to be able to confirm this, price have to break above this 0.0.1 area before I can confirm that we are gonna go back to the upside. So far as price is below 0.0, that's minus 0.2, well, we're gonna be in a downtrend instead. And what this means with other altcoins, there's this saying that money flows from Bitcoin to Ethereum and mid cap, low caps. Have we been seeing this recently? Yeah, we have seen this recently. That's why we are able to see coin like Chepley pump to crazy. Also, Metis DAO and many other coins out there pumping. And these coins are pumping because of Bitcoin's trend and also what is going on with in their ecosystem. You know, Ethereum to me, I think is the big player. During this Bitcoin movement to the downside, we're gonna see Ethereum perform more. Now, the Ethereum Bitcoin chart somehow looks juicy. And before we go there, I want you guys to see, like, if you go and watch my previous videos, I mentioned clearly that for this Ethereum move to be healthy, Ethereum have to retest this zone. Like, there was a breakout there, and Ethereum have to retest this breakout. Price have to retest, come back to this zone, and if price is able to hold above this zone or come in this zone, then we're gonna confirm that this is gonna be a good move for Ethereum. We can see price start going back to the upside. You can see clearly Ethereum has held that zone there. That's 2,400, 2,500 area right now. This is good for like the entire altcoin space, because Ethereum is like the mother or the parent of altcoin, right? Bitcoin, of course, is the father, right? Then Ethereum is the mother. So if the mother is happy, then the kids are gonna be happy as well. And we're talking about most altcoins that are on the Ethereum chain. So we might expect should I say altcoin season, looking at what is going on with Ethereum. And if I have to look at the higher time frame to predict like how far can Ethereum go, looking at price action, I think we can see Ethereum go right up to 3,500. I have talked about this often on my platform. And I also mentioned that Ethereum, there's no way Ethereum won't get to $2,500. Ethereum did go to $2,500. Now I'm telling you guys that Ethereum is gonna go to 3,500. And most of you don't still look at it as something serious, right? Guys, pay attention to this. Looking at Ethereum BTC chart right now, you can see exactly what I'm trying to say here. Ethereum BTC chart looks so good. Ethereum is recovering. You can see Ethereum have broken the 200-day moving average on the daily time frame. Looking at Ethereum BTC chart, this hasn't happened for a long time. You can see the last time it happened, it tried to move to the upside, but it was stopped. Now we are seeing price doing something like that, but this time around, it is breaking this trend line here. So far as Ethereum is able to stay above that moving average, this indicator on the higher time frame, then guys, all other altcoins that are in the Ethereum ecosystem are going to pump. I'm looking at Arbitrum. We're looking at let's just go to it to DeFi Lima. Let's see DeFi Lima and DeFi Lima. Let's see if we can get DeFi Lima. Let's see if this is the right DeFi Lima. Let's see if this is the right spelling. Okay, yeah, DeFi Lima. Let's just go there to see quickly what's going on there with Ethereum. Like, let's see the projects that are on the Ethereum blockchain. Let's see right now. Guys, most of these projects are gonna pump. Like Lido, Mekave. We have also Spark. These are the top project on the Ethereum chain. Lido, Maker, Aave, Uniswap, and so on. But let's just see also, because I think let's get to Coinmarketcap so we can see more data of what coins are are in the Ethereum chain, so we can be ready to get involved or to buy these coins if say Ethereum have to move that drastically to the upside. So let's look at the category. Let's see the category. Let's see if say we can get some coins there on the Ethereum chain. Let's see. This is the category. Let's see if say we can get the Ethereum ecosystem. Yeah. Okay, guys, just bear with me. If I'm not able to get it, then you guys can go and look for it and see the coins that are available there, so that you can take advantage of it. I need to get to the Ethereum ecosystem. Let's see, Ethereum ecosystem. If I'm not able to get there, guys, we can look at it later. I'm not gonna do like a long video for today. Let's see. I think I can just pull out one coin here and see. Let me see which coin I can pull out here. Let me just go back to see. Okay, let's see if I can get Lido. Lido. I saw Lido there. So Lido DAO. I think it's just Lido DAO. So let me see if I can go down to go straight to the Ethereum ecosystem. If that's the case, your attack platform Arbitrum Optimism. Yeah, Arbitrum Optimism is on the Ethereum ecosystem. So let's see. Yeah. So these are the like Arbitrum Optimism guys. Just look at all these coins. These coins you see here are like they are in the Ethereum ecosystem. They are blockchain, like layer 2 blockchains on the Ethereum network. So you can look at those coins and yeah, GMX. We're gonna see GMX also pump. It has pumped 7%, 10% for the past 10 days. Guys, I'm not able to show you, but I'm gonna do like I'm gonna make sure I get this. It didn't it didn't come to my mind before I prepare for this live show, but I think next time I'm live, I'm gonna show you guys the coins that you can pay attention to when Ethereum is gonna pump, right? But I said, let me come and show you guys Bitcoin, Ethereum, what we might expect in the market, and looking at the Bitcoin dominance chart. The Ethereum Bitcoin pair. Ethereum looks more bullish to me, right? So you guys can pay attention to it, but don't panic. Make sure you focus solely on what is important. I mean, the coins that are important. And if you focus on the coins that are important, you're gonna always be protected long term, you know. And if say you don't focus on the coins that are important, then you're gonna get wrecked. Of course, all coins are important, but what I mean by if say you don't understand what you're investing in, then you might get wrecked. So wrecked. Let's look at this chart also. Looking at this chart, this is the Bitcoin, the crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin. I'm looking at this chart right now. It looks bullish on the daily time frame because we are above every moving average out there, even though price is on where it is right now. So I think if say the entire market cap excluding Bitcoin is bullish, then we're gonna see more upside for altcoins. That's what I'm seeing in the market. That's what I'm trying to communicate to you guys. And if we also look at total two, that's all crypto out there, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, we can see that it is also bullish, even though it has crossed below this. It has crossed below the 0.0 line. So we should expect price to break above this white moving average as the 20-day moving average. Price should break. If not, we're gonna see more dump with altcoins. But I think what we wanna see is for this trendy low indicator to reset back to oversold before we can expect more upside for these altcoins. Yeah, I think that is gonna be what will happen if say we are to see movement again in the market. All right, guys, I think this is it for today. I said, let me do this for you guys so you can expect what is going to go happen in the market. But don't panic because so far as Bitcoin is above 40K, then we are good to go. Don't feel as if you have to sell all your altcoins right now. It's not yet the time to sell your altcoins. Keep holding. So far as Bitcoin is above 40K, then all altcoins should be bullish. But if say Bitcoin breaks this zone and trade below 40K, goes to 38K, that's when you want to start looking at ways to sell your altcoins. But now there's a theory there that I want to teach you guys. Not a theory, like I want to teach you guys something before I go today. Now, looking at where this indicator is far away. Except something drastic is going to happen with Bitcoin. Bitcoin will not plunge downward towards this, let's say 34 or 35,000 price point. It won't happen. Maybe it can break this zone and end here around, let's say around 37, 38,000, and then maybe retrace back to 40,000 before going more downward to around $33,000. Or yeah, right now I think we can see Bitcoin even go right down to $32,000. So you can look at Bitcoin to understand how you can go about buying your altcoins. Bitcoin is very important in crypto. Like if you understand like how Bitcoin moves, guys, you're always gonna be in profit in the market. Trust me. If you understand how Bitcoin moves, there's no way you wouldn't be able to make money from these altcoins out there. Because these altcoins, most of them follow Bitcoin movement. And most of them also have other coins within their ecosystem that if they pump, these coins are going to pump as well. That's why you have to make sure you understand the coins that are in the different ecosystem so that when they pump, you can look at these coins and see if say it's time for you to buy them or not. Hopefully, sorry guys. Hopefully this was helpful to you somehow. I'm gonna be live again today. I think around 2 p.m. GMT +2. Yeah. So make sure you are part of the show today. And if you see you haven't yet subscribed, like this content, make sure you do just that. I won't say that guys. See you when I'm live or when I post a new video. Bye bye.